to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically send new employees the necessary documents and training materials using make.com. To manage my employees, I'm using this tool called bamboohr.com. It's an incredible tool that you can use to manage your employees. Since I'm managing my employees from here, I can get the new employees that are added to Bamboo HR and send them the necessary documents that they require to get them started. On Make, I'll search for Bamboo HR. I'm going to click on Watch Employee. This will be our trigger to create a connection between Make.com and Bamboo HR. You'll click on Add, and here you can choose a type. So I'm going to choose my Bamboo HR OpenID, and here you can rename your connection. And then here you will enter the subdomain. This is a subdomain that you will add to your account. So my subdomain is Lux Automation, and then click on Save. But since I had already created a connection, I'm going to click on Close, and here choose my connection. Here you can choose a limit depending on the number of employees that you have in your company. For example, I can say 10, and then click on OK. So, and then the last thing, you can choose where to start. You can choose from a specific ID or all, or choose manually. In our case, I'm going to choose all and click on OK. Now when I run this module, you will see it's giving us an output of some of the employees that we have in the company. We have 10 employees right here. We're getting all their data, their name, first name, last name, job title, work phone, mobile phone, email, department, location, even getting their social media accounts and their manager. The employees right here, we can find all the necessary documents that we are going to send them so they can get started. So here, I'll add another module and search for Drive. On Google Drive, I'll search for files and folders. Now, here, I'm going to select from the list and then choose a folder. I have a folder called Employee Documents, and this is an onboarding form that I would like to send our new employees. I'll choose a folder. Our folder in this case is Employee Documents. I'd like to retrieve files and folders, and I'd like to search via the full text search. Then call our document, which is the onboarding form. And then we can limit it to 1, and then click on OK. If we run this module, here you can see we're getting our onboarding form. So this is the form that I would like to send to our new employees. Now, to send the document to our new employees, we'll need to create a shareable link for our document. So on Google Drive, I'll click on Get a Share Link module. For the file ID, I'm going to add our file ID. The role, we can say reader or writer if you want to. For the type, we can say anyone with a link, and then click on OK. Now, when we run this module, and here add our file ID, which is this file ID right here, and then paste it over here and click on OK. As you can see, we are creating a shareable link that we can send via email to our new employees so they can fill in the onboarding form. To send the link to our new employees, I'll send the link via email. So here, I'll search for email and then click on email, and then I'll click on send an email module. For our email address, we're going to add the email address of our employee. So here, I'll add their work email, and then the subject line could be on the lines of welcome, first name. So this is the first name. We're getting the first name right here. Here are your onboarding documents and training materials. And then the content of the email could be on the lines of hi, first name. Welcome to Lux Automation. We are excited to have you on board and looking forward to seeing you thrive in your new role as project manager. To get started, we've attached the necessary onboarding documents and training materials. Please review and complete them by Friday. Here is your employee handbook and onboarding checklist link. Then here we're going to add the link of the document right here. And the link will be this link that we created over here. And then the rest of the email could be on the lines of, if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. We're here to support you every step of the way. Welcome aboard, and we're looking forward to working with you. Best regards, Kim. Then click on OK. I'll rename it to New Employees Documents. and then click on OK. To see if we're going to send our employees this email with the documents attached, I'm going to run our automation. I'll limit it to 1, and then click on OK. I'll click on Run Once. You can see automation ran successfully. Now, when we open our email, we are seeing the emails that we are sending to our employees. The subject line is on the lines of Welcome, Andy. Here are your onboarding documents and training materials. It says, Hi, Andy, welcome to Lux. Excited to have you on board. And here are your necessary onboarding documents and training materials. Then here's the link to their employee handbook and onboarding checklist. And then if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Welcome aboard, and we're looking forward to working with you. Best regards, Kim. And then here's the onboarding form checklist. This is a simple automation that you can set up right now to automatically send new employees the necessary documents and training materials to help them get started in your company. If you have any automation or system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. Then if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to set up the entire automation or system from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.